Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the video quality of a download on Netflix. Here I've already opened my Netflix, and then what you need to do next is click on the more or click on your profile icon at the top, and then go to the app settings. And here at the downloads tab you can find this download video quality. Click on this, and as you can see the default setting is standard. Uh, the standard is you can download it faster and use less storage, but if you use the high option, it uses more storage but it will have a better quality of the video. You can change it based on your preference. So I'm going to change it into high, like that, and when you click, it will automatically change into your uh, preference. Okay, I hope that this video is helpful to you. That's it for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in the comment, and if you like the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up icon and also subscribe our channel for more contents. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.